Back with David Prentice this afternoon from Brookside Energy. David, good to see you.
G'day, Andrew. Nice to talk to you again.
Look, announcing recently here strong initial production here from the FMDP wells and this successful transition to steady state. Tell us a bit more about how it's going.
Fantastic. Yeah, no, look, so we did get those numbers out last week. So, really strong IP24 numbers, sort of 4,300 BOE a day for the four wells combined, 3,800 BOE a day for the IP30. So these are really, really strong numbers. And then when you normalise them for a single well, so that we can compare those results to the first four wells we drilled in the Swish area, they're really good numbers, right? So we're delighted with the outcome and a really good start.
And of course, you've increased your interest in these wells. What's prompted this?
Yeah, so look, at part of the process of getting ready to do the revenue distribution on these wells, you do the transition from, I guess, the pre-drilling tidal work and the spacing and pooling activity to the post-production tidal work, which is more vigorous kind of research, I guess, of the tidal position. And through that process, we've picked up, importantly, about 7% in those really productive Sycamore wells, and it's lifted our entire FMDP to about 70%. So that's a really good outcome, for the business as well.
So looking ahead, you'd be expecting some decent volumes from these wells.
No, absolutely. So look, we've already cumed, more than 250,000 barrels of oil equivalent in that flowback period, and making that smooth transition from the flowback or optimisation period, I guess, for want of a better phrase, and then to steady state production. So that's really promising. The team's done a great job, and as I say, we've cumed some really big numbers there in that early period.
What's the plan from here, David? What's your upcoming news flow?
Yeah, so putting the finishing touches now on the 2025 plan. We'll get some news out to the market here probably in the next 10 days on what 2025 looks like for us. These results have given us a very strong platform to move into the first quarter of 2025 with more drilling. So it's an exciting time for the business and full steam ahead.
And given the plans for next year, David, how's the funding looking?
Yeah, so look, we're fully funded as we have been for a long time now. We've got plenty of cash and cash flow, so we're in great shape in that regard, and really just now, I guess, casting the 2025 budget with a bit of a view on the oil price. Oil price has come off a little bit in the last few months, so we've got an eye on that, and just generally looking at capital allocation and what's going to generate the best returns for shareholders in 2025 and beyond.
Yeah, great to see you. David, thanks for your time.
Thanks, Andrew. Good to talk to you again.